Disrespect your surroundings.
Compression pad?
You are such a little attention queen.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
They say when you meet the love of your life, time stops.
Love is passion. Love is passion. Love is passion. Obsession. Obsession. Obsession.
How long you been married?
42 years.
How was that possible?
I count in dog years because my wife's a bitch.
What? This is my hair wet, a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Ready, set, moon set, 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 audible, Omaha, give me a paw. Ready,
So we decided to purchase this Ring doorbell, and Bella, who's 12 weeks old, learned it in 2 days.
Good girl. Good girl.
Who is it?
Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me?
All right.
Hooch, I heard
that you ate my son's sandwich right off of his plate.
Go get your collar. Go find it. Go get it. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. You put it on. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Thank you. Now go get your leash. Go find your leash. Go find it. Bring it here. That's my big girl. Good girl. You ready to go on a walk now? Yeah? Let's go. Okay.
Oh, fucking gold. Oh, he's still coming.
Are you hungry, Rupert? That's a big